Well guys, as you can see, my little parking project is coming along quite nicely. We're into the main pad. Made a little bit of progress since I was recording video last. Let's set up the camera, do a little bit of time lapse, and let's make some more holes and fill them in. Well guys, you kind of get the idea of what I'm doing here. I don't know, am I making a mistake by not putting geofabric down first? Possibly. This isn't going to be a high traffic road. This is just basically a parking pad. Probably going to put a tent shelter up over top of this and just keep some of my projects, etc., out of the weather. So I don't really think that there's much of a danger of, squishing it into the wet mud underneath. Maybe a little bit, but good solid base. I think it's going to work. A little bit more clearing is going to happen. As you can see, there's my flags. Take this over tomorrow night. I think we're just about done here this evening. I'm going to bring 4 or 5 more buckets in here and try and finish up this area that I've exposed. I don't like the idea of leaving the sod open in case we get a little bit of rain. I might need lights on the Bobcat to do that. So I think we're going to call it here. Thanks a lot for watching. Appreciate you taking the time to watch. And give me one of those thumb up things. Give me a like if you got this far in the video. If you haven't already done so, consider subscribing. Maybe ring that bell icon to get notified when I post new content. And we'll catch you guys in the next mess. Thanks for stopping by.